Victory Day of Bangladesh. Introduction. Good evening, respected teachers/colleagues/friends. Today, I am delighted to delve into the historical significance and vibrant celebrations of Victory Day in Bangladesh. It is a day that encapsulates the spirit of resilience, sacrifice, and the triumph of freedom. Background. The Liberation War of 1971. The roots of Victory Day lie in the tumultuous period of 1971 when East Pakistan, with its distinct linguistic and cultural identity, sought liberation from West Pakistan. The people of East Pakistan, primarily Bengali-speaking, faced systemic discrimination and atrocities, leading to a fervent desire for autonomy. Role of Bengali leaders. Visionary leaders, such as Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, fondly known as the father of the nation, played a pivotal role in galvanizing the Bengali populace. His famous speech, on March 7, 1971, served as a catalyst for the liberation movement. Declaration of Independence. On March 26, 1971, in the face of mounting oppression, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman officially declared the independence of Bangladesh. This momentous declaration ignited the flames of resistance among the Bengali people, marking the beginning of the Liberation War. The 9-month struggle. The ensuing 9 months were marked by intense battles, with the Mukti Bahinai, comprised of Bengali military personnel and civilians, fighting valiantly against the well-equipped Pakistani forces. The struggle for independence witnessed immense sacrifices and unwavering determination from the people of Bangladesh. Victory Day, December 16. Surrender of Pakistani forces. The turning point of the conflict came on December 16, 1971, when the Pakistani military, unable to withstand the joint forces of the Indian military and the Mukti Bahinai, surrendered in Dhaka. This historic event led to the birth of a new nation, and December 16 is now celebrated as Victory Day in Bangladesh. Celebration of Victory Day. National Parade. Victory Day celebrations kick off with a grand national parade in Dhaka. The parade showcases the strength and discipline of the Bangladesh Armed Forces, with impressive displays of military prowess, precision drills, and patriotic fervor. Paying homage. A crucial aspect of Victory Day is the solemn remembrance of the martyrs and freedom fighters. The National Martyrs Memorial in Savar, on the outskirts of Dhaka, becomes a focal point where citizens pay their respects to those who made the ultimate sacrifice for the nation. Cultural programs. Victory Day is also a time for cultural exuberance. Throughout the country, vibrant cultural programs encompassing music, dance, and drama celebrate the rich heritage and diversity of Bangladesh. These events foster a sense of national pride and unity. Flag hoisting. Symbolizing the bloodshed for independence and the lush greenery of the nation, the national flag is hoisted at important government buildings and public spaces. The red and green colors represent the sacrifices made and the hope for a prosperous future. Conclusion. In conclusion, Victory Day serves as a poignant reminder of the indomitable spirit of the Bengali people. It is a day to honor the sacrifices made for freedom and to celebrate the resilience that led to the birth of Bangladesh. As we commemorate Victory Day, let us reflect on the journey of the nation and strive for a future filled with peace, prosperity, and unity. Thank you for your attention. Let us stand together in remembrance and celebration of Victory Day. Summary. Introduction. Good morning/afternoon/evening everyone. Today, I am honored to present to you the significance and celebration of Victory Day in Bangladesh. Victory Day is a momentous occasion in the history of Bangladesh, marking the triumph of the Bengali people in their struggle for independence. Background: the Liberation War of 1971. In 1971, East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, sought independence from West Pakistan, leading to the Liberation War. The Bengali people faced oppression and atrocities, and their desire for autonomy grew stronger. Role of Bengali leaders. Visionary leaders, such as Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, played a pivotal role in the movement for independence. The Mukti Bahini Liberation Army fought valiantly against the Pakistani forces. Declaration of Independence. On March 26, 1971, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. This declaration ignited the flames of resistance among the Bengali people. The 9-month struggle. The Liberation War lasted for 9 months, characterized by intense battles and sacrifices. Civilians and freedom fighters united in their quest for independence. Victory Day, December 16th. Surrender of Pakistani forces. The turning point came on December 16, 1971, when the Pakistani military surrendered to the joint forces of the Indian military and the Mukti Bahini. This day is celebrated as Victory Day in Bangladesh. Celebration of Victory Day. National Parade. The Victory Day celebrations commence with a grand national parade in the capital, Dhaka. Military personnel, cultural performances, and patriotic displays mark the event. Paying homage. Citizens pay homage to the martyrs and freedom fighters at the National Martyrs Memorial. The memorial stands as a symbol of the sacrifices made during the Liberation War. Cultural programs. Various cultural programs, including music, dance, and drama, celebrate the rich heritage and diversity of Bangladesh. Flag hoisting. The national flag is hoisted at important government buildings and public spaces. The red and green flag symbolizes the bloodshed for independence and the lush greenery of the nation. Conclusion. In conclusion, Victory Day is a time for Bangladeshis to reflect on the sacrifices made for freedom and to celebrate the resilience of the Bengali people. It serves as a reminder of the importance of sovereignty and the enduring spirit of a nation that overcame adversity. Thank you for your attention. Let us commemorate Victory Day with reverence and pride.